Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to change name on Aramex application. So let's jump to the process. First, open your Aramex application on your mobile phone. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now here you'll be taken to Home section. Tap on My Account option present at the bottom right corner. Now here you'll be able to view your profile at the top. Now tap on View and Edit My Profile option. Now here tap on First Name box. Then enter your first name that you want to change to. Then tap on Last Name box and enter the last name that you want. After you do so, tap on Save. With this, now your Aramex name will be changed. Here you can see my name has been changed. And this is how we can change name on Aramex application. Thank you for watching everyone. If you like this video, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.